Many of you might remember this, my original Mark 1 Arc Reactor. I made this back in 2020. Well, it's 2025 now, and it is a time for an upgrade. This is the Mark 50, my version 1 prototype. It's a complete redesign from the ground up. It's got a much cleaner design and it's a lot closer to the movie version. I have spent quite an amount of time last year working on this, and just like the first one, the templates for this are also available on my website. This is just a prototype version, and I have got some ideas for the version 2 already. For making the Mark 50 Arc Reactor replica, we first need to print out all the models I have provided. This includes all the decorative pieces, the main body, the backplate, the main diffuser plate, and the small retaining brackets. Firstly, we need to clean up all the models. We need to remove the supports and the stringings. As I have used my FDM printer, I had to do some cleaning up, which I have done with my rotary tool and the soldering iron. This is a test fit for the smaller brackets. I couldn't get any brass threaded inserts. Instead, I have used small brass nuts and bolts. This is the final look after the cleanup process. And this is how the front design piece will attach to the main body, followed by the diffuser plate. This is the plate that will hold the SMD LEDs. Here I am using the filler primer to make the surface even. These are the smaller neodymium magnets which I have inserted in the back plate to make this thing magnetic. And these are the small 9mm magnets which I have used for making the arc reactor rechargeable with magnetic connectors. Now it's the time of SMD LEDs. I have placed two SMD LEDs together to make two levels of brightness. Secure the connections. This is the charging module and the battery. These are the two switches. This is a test run for the every electronic parts. Here I am gluing the front grille design on the main body. Followed by several coats of grey primer. This primer will make the model look much cleaner. This is the main diffuser plate which I am painting in blue to make the thing more accurate. This is the magnetic base plate which we can attach beneath the shirt. This is just the version 1. I am painting the whole thing in gloss black for making a base for the silver. And this is how it's looking after the silver paint. Now it's time for the weathering part, for which I am using some black acrylic paint dissolved in water to make the arc reactor look more authentic. I was not satisfied with the color of the diffuser plate, so I am applying a second coat of the blue. And here I am applying the gold paints. Now it's assembly time. Firstly, attach the diffuser plate. There are already grooves made for the job. Now attach the light source and its retaining brackets. One thing I would like to mention here, that this being a prototype version, I have not done a very good job for the wiring part. For the upcoming second version, I will tidy up the electrical wiring. And this is how it's turned out.